Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Smart TV and Oppo Find X5 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to cast screen from smartphone to TV using YouTube app. In the beginning, make sure that both devices are connected to same Wi-Fi, and on your smartphone, enter YouTube app, find the music you want to cast, enter it, and now tap this button in the top of the screen. Select your TV, confirm, one more time, confirm, and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.